We are the developers of Sundago, a mobile-based tricycle booking system with online payment integration in Mamburao, Occidental, Mindoro. Allow me to introduce myself and my team members. I am Lois Christine Guevara. This is Jess Vigilia. And this is Nilmar Contreras. Lastly, we have Renato Arizala Jr. We are the students from Occidental Mindoro State College, Mamburao campus, and we developed Sundago to address common transportation challenges experienced by commuters and tricycle drivers in the municipality of Mamburao. Sundago is a mobile-based application that enables commuters to conveniently book a tricycle ride, track booking requests, and make cashless payments through an integrated online payment system. At the same time, it helps drivers receive and manage booking requests more efficiently. In this presentation, we will discuss the project prototype, the technology used in the development of the system, how these technologies are integrated, and how Sundago can contribute to improving local transportation services in Mamburao Occidental, Mindoro. Traditional tricycle transportation services in many communities still rely on manual booking methods. Passengers often experience difficulty finding available drivers, especially during peak hours, bad weather conditions, late at night, or emergency situations. This challenge is more evident among residents living in remote sitios and barrios, where access to transportation is limited and commuters may need to wait for long periods before finding an available tricycle. In some cases, passengers must walk considerable distances to reach main roads or tricycle terminals, causing inconvenience and delays in their daily activities. Drivers also face challenges in locating passengers, managing ride requests, and maximizing their daily earnings, because booking arrangements are often done through phone calls, text messages, or face-to-face communications. Driver may spend additional time and fuel searching for passengers. Safety is another important concern for both commuters and drivers. Passengers have limited information about the identity of the driver and the status of their trip, while drivers may also encounter difficulties verifying passenger information. The absence of a centralized system can make monitoring and tracking trips more difficult, especially during emergencies. Based on the interviews conducted with tricycle operators, drivers, students, workers, and residents, we identified common concerns such as long waiting times, lack of real-time communication, limited transportation accessibility in sitios and barrios, and safety issues associated with traditional booking methods. To address these challenges, we developed Sundago, a mobile-based tricycle booking system that connects commuters and drivers through a centralized digital platform. The system provides real-time booking services, driver verification, trip monitoring, location tracking, and secure online payment options to make transportation more accessible, efficient, and safe for the residents of Mamburao Occidental, Mindoro. Let us now demonstrate the prototype of Sundago. First is the commuter module. The commuter can log in or create an account. So in creating account, the passenger should write his or her full name, phone number, complete address, password, and confirm password. And these are the terms and conditions before signing in into Sundago application. The passenger can view the activities, the map, and book a ride. He or she will put the origin and the destination. These are the information before booking a ride. And you can also choose a payment, either cash or GCash. And there is a notes, save an emergency contact that is optional, and the total fare. Once the passenger book arrives, the system will find the best driver or the nearest driver. Now, the system finds the nearest driver. And there is a fare breakdown, pickup distance, pickup fee, estimated time of arrival, and the payment method. The user can confirm or cancel the booking. And once he or she confirmed the booking, it will say that driver is on the way. And once the driver is arrived, he or she can pay and track his real-time location. He or she can also view the emergency hotline and pay through GCash application. Now let's proceed to the driver's module. The driver can log in or create an account. The driver needs to state full name, phone number, and other information. Next is the vehicle information of the driver: plate number, vehicle brand, model, year model, and color. Next is the vehicle information, where the driver needs to upload the requirements needed to register to the account or to the application. Lastly, the summary of vehicle information that he or she input. The driver also will receive an OTP verification. The pending approval is 1 to 3 days. Once the driver created an account, he or she can log into the system. And there is a breakdown of GCash and cash payment. There is also a home, activity, map, message, and profile. This will appear if the driver has a new booking. The driver can decline or accept the booking based on his or her preferences. Once the driver accepts the booking, The driver will see the information of the passenger. The driver is on the way to pick up, and the passenger will see the real-time monitoring. And once the driver has arrived, he or she can click Start Ride or Cancel Booking. There is a timer, and on the way to destination, and once arrived, the driver can click the End Ride button. The driver also can give feedback to the passenger. And once the travel is completed, the driver can click the button Completed. The driver will be notified and cannot use the application unless his or her franchise or other requirements has been renewed. For the development of Sundogo, we will use React Native, React.js, and JavaScript. React Native will be used for developing the mobile application, allowing us to create a responsive and user-friendly interface for commuters and drivers. React.js will be utilized for web administrative functions, enabling efficient management of users, bookings, reports, and system settings, while JavaScript serves as the primary programming language for both the front-end and back-end components of the system, providing flexibility and compatibility across different platforms. Database and back-end services. For data storage and back-end services, we will use Firebase. Firebase provides a cloud-based database, user authentication, real-time data synchronization, and secure data storage. It allows the system to efficiently manage user accounts, booking records, payment information, trip history, and notifications. APIs and external services. To support location-based services, Sundago will integrate the Google Maps API. This API enables real-time location tracking, route visualization, distance estimation, and navigation assistance for both commuters and drivers. For online payment integration, the system will utilize supported digital payment services to provide secure and convenient cashless transactions. For the development tools, several software development tools will be used throughout the project. Visual Studio Code or VS Code as the primary code editor. Node.js as the JavaScript runtime environment for backend operations and package management. Android SDK for building, testing, and deploying the Android application. Figma for designing the user interface and creating application prototypes. Lastly, Google Chrome for testing, debugging, and system validation. We adopted Firebase because it offers cloud-based database services, authentication, and real-time synchronization. Firebase reduces the need for managing physical servers while ensuring that booking information and user data are updated instantly.